Hey guys, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Murphy oil soap. Now what this is a wood floor cleaner that gets your floor like really super clean. It really does. I've used it for a very long time. I have hardwood floors in my house. It cleans them really good and it leaves them very shiny. I have to say that. And it's made with pure vegetable oil, and it's a Squirt and Mop ready to use wood floor cleaner. I mean, it really speaks for itself. It really does a really good job. I have used other floor cleaners before. This is probably the best I've ever used. It does a really good job, and it won't leave your floor like slippery or anything after you use it. It really makes for a really good floor cleaner, and it's really easy to use. All you do is I have a little board here to show you how easy it is. So if you can either use a towel or you can use a mop. You can put it right on the board, or you can put it on a towel and then you wipe it clean. Really nice. You wipe it really good and it'll make your floor really clean. It cleans and shines at the same time. See that nice shine? Really good. I really like this a lot. Yeah, you always have to use this. I mean, I always have to use this to actually do all the floors in my house. I have almost all wood floors. I do have some carpet. For the wood floor, I always swear by this. It's a really good floor cleaner. And it's amazing that it cleans it and shines it at the same time. I like that a lot. When you touch it, it's just like, it's not slippery. It's not oily. It just feels like a clean, hard, dry floor. It's really nice. It does a good job. It really does. Now, there's certain things you have to be careful about when using this, though. You can't use this on unfinished and unsealed or waxed wood surfaces. Water sensitive. So yeah, you shouldn't do that. It clings to a natural shine, and it's just very good. I like the fact that it's made with pure vegetable oil too, and it's ready to use. It comes out of the top here. This is the opening. You pull this up and down to open it, and it just squirts out. Yeah. The Murphy Squirt and Mop ready to use wood floor cleaner. There really is no downside to it. I thought there would be, because there's a lot of times you do use oil cleaners for your floor and you get like a slick coating on there that makes things very slippery, and it takes a while to dry or something like that. You don't get that with the Murphy. With the Murphy, it really cleans very well and it dries really fast. And it does it all naturally. Yeah. I started using this because I grew up watching my mom using Murphy. And Murphy has been in business for gosh, I don't know how long. It says it's over 100 years. So I think they know what they're doing. And like I said, you could use this straight out of the bottle here and just spray it onto the floor, squirt it onto the floor rather, and then mop it up with a mop, or you can squirt it onto a rag and just for those small areas, and get on your hands and knees and just scrub it and scrub it and scrub it until, you know, you've done what you needed to do. So yeah, that's the versatility of how to use this. Yeah, that's Murphy. It is a very good wood cleaner, and I really don't have anything really bad to say about it. I think it comes in a smaller bottle. This bottle is the 32 ounce bottle, I think. 1 quart. There's 946 mils in there, and hopefully it lasts me a long time, because I guess I'm kind of cheap and I don't like buying things all the time. But it seems like it's been lasting a long time, and I like to keep my floors very shiny. So yeah, I am very happy with Murphy. I can't really say much bad things about it. So that is the Murphy oil soap. It is actually what you need if you really want that deep down shine, right? Okay guys, well, I hope you use this information and you go get some. All right, I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.